Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. When we use the word Arba'een, which is the 40th in Arabic, it has a lot of importance and significance based on the traditions of the Holy Prophet and the Ahlul Bayt alayhimus salam. The Arba'een, or the 40th of Imam Hussain alayhi salam, is the completion of Ashura. The message of Imam Hussain alayhi salam completes at Arba'een, and Ashura is incomplete without Arba'een. So Ashura, the Shahadat of Imam Hussain alayhi salam, is has gone through an evolution where Hazrat Zainab al-Kubra and Imam Sajjad alayhimus salam both went as captives from Karbala to Kufa and then to Halab and then from Aleppo to Damascus. And then they returned on the 40th of Imam Hussain alayhi salam to Karbala. So from Ashura to Arba'een is extremely important. And hence we all still try and visit Sayyid al-Shuhada alayhi salatu wasalam on the 40th, because the first Zaireen of Imam Hussain alayhi salam came to Arba'een, came to Karbala on Arba'een itself. And many of our great scholars or of our mystics have emphasized that even if only once in a lifetime, do visit Imam Hussain alayhi salam on the 40th, because that is the completion and that is one of the signs of a mu'min, a believer. There is a hadith by Imam Hassan Askari alayhi salam where he says that Alamatul Mu'min Khamsun, there are 5 signs of a believer. Salatu Ahad wa Khamseen, Ziyaratul Arba'een, doing 51 rakats, and also visiting Sayyid al-Shuhada, or at least deciding his ziyarat on the 40th. So more than Ashura, the 40th of Imam Hussain alayhi salam is very important to visit Imam Hussain alayhi salam.